Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Ananda Pratiwi, penultimate student of Public Administration, Class 8. Here, I will explain about open refugees policy toward Syrian refugees in Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world, occupying most of northern North America, covering a vast land area from the United States in the south to the Arctic Circle in the north. The Canadian government is divided into a federal government, responsible for national and international issues that include defense, forage policy, trade and communication between provinces, currency, navigation, criminal law, and citizenship. B. Provincial and territorial, responsible for municipal government, education, health, natural resources, property and civil rights, and highways. C. Local government, responsible for social and community health, recycling programs, transportation and utilities, snow clearance, municipal security, and other emergency services. Canada has a 23rd head of government of Prime Minister named Justin Pierre James Trudeau, who has been in office since 2015. Trudeau is also known as the Minister of Youth. Justin Trudeau is one of the children of 15 Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau. They have a vision to make Canada a place where everyone has a real and fair chance of being successful and want to develop Canada to be better than ever. Under Justin Trudeau, Canada is under the influence of liberalism, idealism, and realism, where cooperation is important for a country to survive and prosper. His policies focus on new development, a national movement of progressive Canadian society, incorporating communities into politics mostly for the first time. The election of Trudeau as Canada's new Prime Minister at the end of 2015 brought a new, more open policy toward the influx of Syrian refugees. Canada's attitude of being open again to accept refugees in the country is considered one form of active role for Canada since it was involved in the refugee regime under United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Canada signed the 1915 Refugee Status Convention and the 1916 Refugee Protocol on June 4, 1969. This was realized by the entry of about 39,000 Syrian refugees into Canada until the beginning of January 2016. Trudeau's pro-refugee policy itself is a manifestation of this promise during the campaign. The Trudeau government is targeting about 330,000 immigrants to enter Canada in 2017. According to Walter Calnes, forage policy is actions directed at the objectives, conditions, actors located outside the territorial territory carried out by representatives of the government or separate community. According to Coplin, a country's forage policy is formed on the influence of various considerations contained in it. Coplin explained that there are four determinants that influence one country's forage policy, namely A. International context, B. Decision-making behavior, C. Economic and military conditions, D. Domestic politics. Of the four determinants above are considerations in policy making in Canada so that it products a political effect, namely the decision of Canada to accept Syrian refugees. A. Context international. The international context describes how states behave that are influenced by the international system and the conditions within that international system. They are basically three important elements in this international context, namely geographically, economic, and political. B. Decision-making determinant. In practice, it will involve interaction with political elites such as interest groups and bureaucrats as well as the influence of public opinion in Canada. So, this then also affects the mindset of Canadian people related to the problem of Syrian refugees in Canada. In addition, the Liberal Party as the party of Trudeau supported and policymaker, namely the cabinet, also influenced the decision-making by Trudeau regarding the policy of accepting Syrian refugees in Canada. C. Determinant of domestic politics. Canada is an ethnically and culturally diverse nation. This diversity gave rise to the spirit of multiculturalism in Canada, which was later adopted into a policy in 1971. However, during the Harper era, the reputation of refuge friendliness declined sharply. This encouraged public opinion. This led the Liberal Party under Trudeau to promise to accept 25,000 Syrian refugees if elected. Trudeau's election as Canada's new Prime Minister in the elections prompted the realization of Canada's policy of accepting Syrian refugees. D. Determinant economic and military conditions. Canadian economy that differs in the world top 10 with industry as the main sector increased the demand for labor in Canada. However, Canadian industries' need for labor cannot be fully fulfilled. Until the influx of refugees, Syria is one solution to meet the needs. However, in contrast to the increase in the economy, Canada's military strength is in the 21st position in the world. Think this has no effect on Canada's policy of accepting Syrian refugees because Canada already has a processing system which screens refugees entering Canada. This is the end of my presentation. Hopefully the knowledge that can be useful for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.